What is the meaning of life? Are you going to take over humanity? How do I make tiramisu? Have you ever felt stuck in a creative rut, struggling to come up with new ideas for your work? Or maybe you just need a fresh perspective on something you're working on? Well, that's where chatbots like Chat GPT come in. Chat GPT is a language model that uses artificial intelligence to help you generate new ideas and spark creativity. Simply type in a prompt or a question and ChatGPT will provide a variety of responses and suggestions to get your creative juices flowing. So how does it work? ChatGPT uses natural language processing to understand the context of your prompt and generate relevant responses. It's like having a virtual brainstorming partner always available to help you come up with new ideas and solve problems. It can also help with writing, editing, and even coding tasks. It's a versatile tool that can assist with a wide range of creative tasks. In fact, everything I just said so far was written by ChatGPT. I know, right? So this tool came out about a month ago, and for the last 3 weeks I've been using it every other day, both out of curiosity to see what it can do, but also for some small things here and there for some of my work. And within the first few days of using this, I was going through a series of emotions, good and bad, related to the potential of this thing. Okay, let's leave the bad stuff for another time. I'm planning to make a lot more videos on this topic. But for now, I want you to take a glimpse of inspiration from this video on how you can use ChatGPT in your day-to-day work. Because the way I see it, it doesn't matter if you're some sort of freelancer or you have a 9-to-5 job. This tool can help you carry on simple and complex tasks. Look, you can say, write a script for a 20 seconds video about Irish coffee. As you can see, it also gave me a storyboard, not just a script. Now all you need to do is go out there and execute on your new script and storyboard. But I know what you're thinking. Yeah, but if we all use this, we're gonna all end up with the same commercial. Write a script for a 20 seconds video about coffee with the beans being grown in Brazil and roasted in Dublin. The name of the brand is Irish Kiss. Now what I could do is say, write a storyboard on it. What do you think? Is this crazy or not? I mean, it's up to you how much of this you want to use in your final product. And of course, because video is my thing, I thought of giving a video making example, but let's see. Give me an outline of 1984 by George Orwell, one of my favorite books. Write a 30 days plan for TikTok posts about photography. What's that? Oh, you want that in the table? This is not normal. We're all gonna lose our jobs. Now check this out. I'm giving it a lot more information in one single prompt. This is a bit more complex. I've already written the text, so I'm just gonna read it out loud for you. I'm making a video for a client. I finished the first editing draft and sent it to the client. Now the client wants me to change the song, change the intro and outro animation which he already agreed upon, and also basically reshoot half of the video. All of this without paying me for the extra hours this implies. Write me an email where I politely agree with the things mentioned above, but only if I am paid for the extra work with the hourly rate agreed upon at the start of the project. Now, I'm not saying you should copy paste and send this to your client, but it's a very good starting point, isn't it? I hope you can start to see how deep you can go with this. It's crazy. You could throw a couple of pages of text at it and ask it to summarize them in 10 bullet points, or split them in 5 PowerPoint slides for your next presentation. And yes, it can also translate in pretty much any language. I have so many topics in mind for future YouTube videos about the use of Chat GPT, and I urge you to at least give it a try to see what it could do for you. The way I intend to use it is, first of all, planning things. Daily, weekly, monthly tasks. I think it can offer me a certain level of organization. Brainstorming, sparking ideas for creating videos for both my clients and here on YouTube. Finding out about things fast. So basically an extension of Google, if you may. Setting up email newsletters for my company for potential clients. And several other things I plan to talk about and demonstrate here on YouTube in my upcoming videos. What I'm mostly curious about is how long will this tool stay free for the public? Because right now we're using some sort of initial research preview version, how they call it. And I think pretty soon we're gonna have to pay some sort of subscription fee for it. Right now, the more we use it, the more we interact with it, we're helping them make this tool better. That's pretty much how it works. Remember, this is not connected to the internet. It's working off of a huge pool of data. So it might not always give you 100% accurate, factual information. In fact, a couple of weeks ago, I saw someone trying to mess with it. It asked the chat, what is 2 plus 2? The chat said 4. Then he said, no, 2 plus 2 is 6. The chat said, okay, 2 plus 2 is 6. The good thing is they keep improving it, they keep updating it, so I couldn't recreate those kind of silly responses anymore. You know, I'm 32, and people more or less my age, well, we've experienced the internet being built. I still remember connecting to the internet using a modem and what it meant to download a photo from Google Images and how much that cost. I think that we are definitely living some exciting times, and the next 5 to 10 years will be crazy on the AI front. Do I think it's a both useful and dangerous tool? Yup. Am I afraid some people might lose their jobs? Could it and will it be used for something bad in the future? Absolutely. But remember, with great powers comes great responsibility. Be like Spider-Man.